What happens to your body after drinking a cup of coffee? If you are a coffee lover, you'd better watch this video. When you take a sip of coffee, the coffee will soon reach your small intestine. The small intestine absorbs the caffeine in the coffee and transmits it to various parts of the body through blood circulation. Caffeine will strongly stimulate the brain's nervous system and increase the level of dopamine in the body. That's why you feel excited and happy. Affected by it, your heart rate and blood pressure will increase. Your breathing rate will also increase, and you will completely get rid of fatigue, become energetic, and your work efficiency will also be greatly improved. Over time, your brain will mistakenly think that coffee is a good thing and constantly suggest that you drink more coffee. That's why coffee is addicting to you. If you only remember to drink coffee at this time, it will be too late to maintain it because it is more difficult. Once you start drinking coffee, your body will have obvious reactions. For example, headaches, fatigue, and anxiety. 049. It is undeniable that drinking coffee frequently does have an impact on the body. For example, it increases the negative sugar content of the kidneys, produces more urine, and makes the amount of urine increase in order to avoid dehydration. It is best to drink some water after drinking coffee. If you have cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases, it is best not to drink coffee, because after drinking coffee, you may experience symptoms such as palpitations and numbness in the hands, and in severe cases, it may be life-threatening.